It is that time of year, not just Halloween candy. Millions of Americans will soon be choosing their health care plans for next year.
I mean, looking at the plans, it can be overwhelming,
Yeah.
right? One poll suggests many Americans actually growing anxious over what healthcare is going to cost going forward.
Always worried about how much is going to be coming out of your paycheck, right? Take a look at this poll from the AP Newark. It found nearly 6 in 10 Americans, or 57%, say they are very or extremely concerned over the rising cost of healthcare.
38% of Americans are worried about losing their insurance, and more than 4 in 10 Americans are worried about not being able to pay for needed medications. KSHB 41 consumer reporter Elise Schoenig covers healthcare costs for us at KSHB.
And she's sharing their voices about their outlook on healthcare for the year and hearing from experts on what to pay attention to when you pick out your plan.
Open enrollment is approaching, and that's the time of year where you need to shop around for the best health plan that works for you. I'm Elise Schoenig, and I cover the cost of healthcare. But just about every consumer should prepare for increased premiums as they're making their selections this year.
Medical care should be a basic human right.
For many consumers, open enrollment is a yearly deadline.
I don't have it consistently, so having this as a safety net for people is very important.
This plaza shopper says she's retired and a volunteer, and says she gets her insurance on and off through the marketplace.
I'm very concerned.
Recent data shows that insurers offering Affordable Care Act plans could increase premiums by around 18% for 2026. The price you pay could jump by 75% if subsidies for the program expire at the end of December. Premiums went up 7% in 2025.
Healthcare costs have gone up faster than inflation.
UMKC professor Chris Garman says reducing subsidies increases costs to insurers, which increases premiums you pay.
As people lose their subsidies, those who are healthy will probably gamble and say, do I really want to pay all that increase?
What about people who get insurance from their employer? Well, a recent survey showed employers say their health care plans could go up by 9% in 2026. That could be the highest increase in over 15 years.
What are the decisions we make to help affordability for associates?
Melissa Holthouse oversees employee benefits at H&R Block.
Just that consumer mindset around it, that you can find the same type of good quality care, but you may find it cheaper someplace else.
As employees look to enroll, she recommends these tips. Research which plans are best for you, see if you can enroll in an HSA or FSA, and keep up with your preventative care as much as possible.
People will get sicker, and it'll cost everybody that much more.
Consumers don't want this deadline to prevent them from getting the best deal. In Kansas City, Elise Schoenig, KSHB 41 News.
Again, Elise covers health care for us here at KSHB 41. So if you have a question or want to know something more in depth on options in Kansas City, or maybe some open enrollment questions you have, scan the QR code there to connect with her, or you can just email her directly at elise.schoenig@kshb.com.